Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to provide you with a tutorial on checking palindromes in Python. Palindromes are words, phrases, or sequences that read the same backward as forward, ignoring spaces, punctuation, and capitalization. Checking whether a given string is a palindrome is a common programming task. Here's a simple Python tutorial along with a code example to check for palindromes. A palindrome is a word, phrase, or sequence of characters that reads the same forward as backward. To check if a string is a palindrome, we need to compare the original string with its reverse. If the two are the same, then the string is a palindrome. This tutorial provides a simple yet effective way to check if a string is a palindrome using Python. The code is adaptable and can be integrated into larger projects or used as a standalone function. ChatGPT